Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or merge sections in Google Forms. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to have your sections created. As you can see, I have 4 sections. Now if you want to edit the section, just click on this. You can delete it, move it, or duplicate it. If you want to move a section, just choose one that has a 1 above it. This action will merge the section with the section that's above it. So as you can see, let's do it with this. Again, click on Merge with Above. And now we only have 2 section groups. Now let's go move the section above. Let's click on Move Section, which is the second option. And there you can click on this arrow to move the section. You can duplicate the section. So now we have 3 group sections, or if you want to delete it, you can go ahead, click on the 3 dots again and click on Delete Section. You can do this for whatever group section you want, and the section will be deleted. So as you can see, now we don't have any sections left. So this is how to delete or merge sections in Google Forms. As always, thank you for watching.